Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new best profitable project that is Grow and the pre-sale meme token on Arbitrum. You can get participate in it here. Don't miss out on the main trend of 2024. Here I will share each and everything about this Grow World, unique virtual space and ecosystem where you can create virtual Web3 ecosystem grow world where the each participant becomes part of sustainable development, receives the unconditional basic income through DeFi. Here I will share about the some fact like market capitalization of meme token has reached 60 billion, with the main meme tokens experiencing growth range from 200% to 1000% this year. This is a huge potential. Did you know that millions of Star Wars fans use Telegram bot to launch the Grogu meme token? Here I will share as this is the Grow World token that you can see as the first meme token in the Grow World. Multiverse promises the true sensation. Remember, Baby Yoda, Grow is not just a token, it's a first meme token in Grow World that embodies the power of small creator with a big missions and hidden potential. At the same potential you will get here in Grow World with 1000x profit. Here I will share each and everything. Before that, if you are new on my YouTube channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get a complete information about this ecosystem in which you will get adventures to get your reward. And here is huge potential for the meme token. I have given some history about meme token total that people has been invested in it. The total market cap volume you can check out as much in the trend of 2024. The meme token is going to touch the moon. Grow World fundamentals you can see here as adaptation for modernity, maximum mass adoption, max modern technology. Next thing you can get, this is the Grow ecosystem where the creating guilds, staking purpose, crypto quest, giveaways and much more. And this token, our major token, has been listed through their Telegram bot, so this is also available for you. You can join them on their community. Here is where to buy, for which you have to go to Grow Telegram bot that will help you to buy this token successfully. Next you can check out some detail as their roadmap in which you can find out such detail that how does this work, and you can check out their team progress report with their vision and mission about their future, what they are trying to do. In Q3 2023 they have made completed the establishment and solid foundation from a highly qualified team. If they had an expert team, then they can work easily with a awesome strategies that will be profitable for their community. You can be a part of their community, so you have to join it. And next you wanna buy it, then this is the interface where you can buy. Here is a connecting wallet. You have to click on it as MetaMask Phantom wallet what you have installed in your device. You can open it where you have to put the password that you have set down while creating, and I have put down, and click on the next button. Here you can click on the connect option. It will be connected successfully as this is made on Arbitrum chain, so you have to click on the sign in, and in this way you can work. Or you can also connect your wallet through their like Phantom wallet or MetaMask wallet. You can check out successfully. When we connect it, then you can check out successfully our wallet will be successfully connected to it. And here you can check out USDC, USDT, Ethereum. You can choose your pre-sale round 2, and our wallet has been connected successfully. Here you can check out if you wanna earn a generous reward 5% aggro token on your direct referral purchases, then you can copy and you can also invite your friend on this platform. So in this way you can work out. Here you can buy their NFTs also that can be burned, where you can get a receive 30% tokens, 100% referral income reward, remaining 7% unlock every month for 7 months. Here is a referral link that you have to copy, and you can copy once and share on all social media link to get more audience, more investors to this platform so that they can participate in it. This is the white paper. Welcome to Groworld, where you can check out a complete details about their vision, missions, how they are working. You can check out successfully here the participants become more sustainable development conditions. Next thing is about their Groworld product that you can get experience of DeFi staking. You can get Ethereum layer to Arbitrum chain on it with the unconcentrated liquidity on Uniswap, and you can get the GameFi on Telegram Open Network and NFT on Layer 2 stack. So next thing is about their referral income. That is one of the most with the generous reward 10%. You can invite your friend to get your income now. Here is the pre-sale stage 1 and pre-sale stage 2 comparison. You can see a complete details about that. Token pricing is increasing as the pre-sale round increase, so that you can invest your money as soon as possible in it, so you can get a lot of profit. As in the 2024 the meme coin is on trending and it has a huge potential. So you can check out here is the referral program. When the staking for 3 months, your investors like your referrals will make investment. According to this one, you will get the profit into your account that can be get anytime. Here is D app Telegram Open Network. You can join it to play this game. Here is a complete detail, some features, some working strategies that you can achieve on it. As distribution grow, token can also be seen out. Like this is the distribution percentage in which categories you can read out. As DeFi has been allocated 25%, as pre-sale has 20%, marketing has 10%, so on. There will be airdrop as well. So how to buy, for which you have to go to website, you have to click on the buy agro, connect your wallet, and then you can choose the ERC20 USDT, what currency you want to use, and click on the confirm option. It can be purchased successfully. Now I will show you how Telegram bot works, how to play, and how to get their community link. So next thing, I have already shown to you that how does this work, and now we go to our Telegram bots and I'll show you complete working. You have to click on the web in 3. I will provide this Telegram bot link in video description. Just you have to open so that you can find such a interface where you have to participate in it. So first of all, you have to click on the start button. Now you can select the language. As I understand English well, so I click on it. Now you can check out that here you can see referral income, your buy Goro token, wallet, play game. You have to play game. Once we have click on it, you can check out that participate, play fun with art. You have to click on the run, rating, or back menu. I click on the run button. Then you can see that it is successfully confirmation. So you have to click on it and it will be pop up on a new tab in which you can see Grogu that is going to play. So this is the web app. We have to wait some time and it is now in loading process. As 100% will be completed, then it will be pop up and we can get gameplay experience on this platform. So now you can check out that we have opened our game on our Telegram. Now you have to click on the play now button. Here you can check out like you have to play this one, like you have to save it from these. You can say in simple word like there are many others. uh, oh no, in this way you have to play like you have to save from these. In simple words, so this is the game, like how much I have played. You can also get the entertainment as well. You have to save your this NFTs or aeroplanes from your these rocks that is going from upward. So I hope that you are clearing my points how to play this game. If this will be stocks, then you can also crash your aeroplane in simple. So here you can check out that how this is going to work. So in this way you can work out. If I will crash it, then you can see here that our plan will be done. Those So next thing you can check out on our interface is game rating. If you want a game rate, then you have to click on it. Here is the game rating top with these rating you can check out. And the next thing you can check out as there is a referral program as well. You have to copy it, and you can also do this one. This is your link that you have to copy, and you can also invite your friend to get the bonus reward in it. There is a complete details. This is the menu. If you want to do all these activities, you can check out that you want to buy Goro 2 token. You can check your wallet here, and this is the wallet like connect wallet. You have to click on it. Here you can check the Arbitrum Ethereum wallet. You have to send your Ethereum wallet on it. You can take withdraw, you can take all the operations on it simply. So I hope that you have cleared how does this work and how it is going on. So we have to open our Phantom wallet, or you can also choose your MetaMask wallet in it. So if I click on it, this is our wallet, so I paste it there and send it. Now it will be connected successfully. Great, your wallet has been saved. Now if you want to withdraw, you can click on it, and then you can see that enter the amount to withdraw. If you have balance in your wallet, you can successfully withdraw within no second. And the next thing you can also see, I have already told you that about their functions, about their working, about their gameplay that you're going to get as entertainment, as well as the profitable, the meme coin that is giving you a best opportunity. So I hope that you have cleared. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.